Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. Today is Sunday, so I'm posting. I'm on a roll. And in today's video, I am going to be trying on and reviewing a U-part wig. This wig is from West Kiss Hair. It is a kinky straight U-part wig. It's 24 inches, 180% density. This is very long and it's very thick. It's a very full wig and I'm super excited to try it. So this is new for me. I don't know if it's new for y'all, but it's new for me. I've never seen this before. This U-part wig comes with an elastic band attached to it already. That's what I'm talking about, West Kiss. So this thing is probably going to be super snug and I'm excited. Let me just throw it on really quick. Whew. Yeah. Yeah, this wig is super full. What I'm gonna do first is go in and straighten this wig just so we can tame it a little bit, and then we'll go from there and see how I want to style it. My hair is freshly pressed, freshly flat ironed. I flat ironed it myself yesterday, so my hair is fresh and clean and ready to go. So yeah, let's start styling. I'm super excited. The hair flat ironed super easy. I did 2 passes on each section on, I believe, with the flat iron on 450 degrees. I knew from just holding the wig and combing my fingers through that this wig was very thick and full. But y'all, it took me 20 minutes to flat iron just half of the head, but it did get really flat and it didn't lose any of its texture. So here's a before and after to compare. Here is the wig fully straightened. I love how full it still looks. So here is a look at my leave out. I left out the U part obviously, and I bunned up just the back of my hair because my hair is short and I don't have much. So I am just putting in all of the clips and the combs to secure this wig, and this wig did secure very well to my head. I decided that I wanted to do some layers, so I am cutting layers around my face, so I guess you can say face framing layers. I also decided that I wanted to do some curls, so I'm not curling the entire strand of hair. I'm focusing more so on the bottom ends of each section when curling the hair. This hair holds a curl so well. I was putting my hands through the curls, just basically manipulating the hair a lot, and the curls did not fall. I didn't use any hairspray or anything. It just holds a curl very well. It only took me about 20 minutes to curl this entire wig, which is basically half the time it took me to straighten the entire wig, which is pretty fast to me considering that there is a lot of hair on this U part. I curled the other half of my hair off camera and came back to blend in my leave out. I didn't add any additional heat to my leave out just to save how much heat I put on my natural hair, but that little bun helped blend my natural hair into this U-part wig. This is the final look. I wanted to do something different because I feel like I would usually try to do something just pin straight. So put a little bit of layers in it, and this is what we have. This hair is super full. Like, there's a lot of hair on this wig. Like, and honestly, I don't know, it might be more than 180% density, to be honest. I think my hair is blending so well with this wig. The texture of this wig is really soft. It's just a very natural looking texture. I'm thoroughly impressed by this wig. It's a very lightweight wig too. Like, even though there's a lot of hair on this wig, I don't feel that I have the wig on. Let me know what y'all think. Do y'all like the wig? Do you think it's cute? Do you like what I ended up doing to it? Let a sister know. I really like it. All of the details and a direct link to this wig will be down below in the description for you all. Please take care of yourselves, be kind to yourselves, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.